Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to partition your drives like this. Even though the default one is usually to look at this key. See? But I've partitioned my own adding this key and this EG8. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So you have to just come to a taskbar at the search button and type disk manager, and you see something like create and format hard disk partition. You click on it and wait for it to open. As it's opening or when it opens, you then have to decide whether you partition the drive C or drive G. So assuming your PC is serving the default one as drive C and want to partition it, you have to only right click on it and go to shrink volume. So you wait for it to load. When you're done load, we have to let me come back to this place where as it's loading, you see something here. When you counter drive C, we can see they gave us some information down there, which is that 86.4 gigabyte free of 146.45 gigabyte, meaning that 86 is only free out of this space. So that means I found the strength of volume. It must only be below the 86.4 gigabytes. I get in it? Okay. So let me minimize it. It has now loaded. And as you all know, 1 gigabyte gives 1000 megabytes. So let's say they now ask you to enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. So let's say I want to shrink it to 10 gigabytes. So that means that 10 times 1000, that will be 10,000. So I'll get 10,000. If I do to see, I'll now go to shrink. So let's wait for it to load. Wait. Very well. You see it's now in, because now see, but it is unlocated because we locate any drive name to it or something like that to it. So you have to now again right click on it again and go to new simple volume. So when you go to that new simple volume, you have to come and click next. Click next again. So here you see, do not assign a drive letter to or drive path, but we want to assign a drive letter. So you can choose the letter that you want in here. So as you mean, I want to choose, let's say H. So I'll go to next. Okay, let me leave it. Here if we don't want to format, but let's format it. So the name also, I usually give my name as local disk. So you can change it, you can change the new volume to local disk if all you want, or you can leave it as new volume. So let me click next again and finish. Yes, it's formatting. Let's wait for it to format. It's done. So you can see that our local disk G have been open. Let me close this one. Let me now go to this PC. So you can see our local disk H has been created. It's empty format. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you later in my next video.